Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem of Windows where you face problem regarding internet and your browser problem, in which the Microsoft Edge got affected or got problemed. So you can solve this problem by following few steps on your Windows only. First of all, you have to go on the My Computer. On the My Computer, where you have to just click on the organize, click on this folder and search option. On this you have to just click on the view bar and scroll down over here. You can see that hidden files and folder. You just have to click or check this show hidden files, folders and drives, and you have to simply apply over here and then click OK. Now you have to open that drive in which your Windows file are stored. So in my Windows file are stored in drive C. So I will double click on this. Now you have to click on the user. On the user you have to click that name, your username. Like in my name is Suresh Singh, so I will click on over here. Now you can see that I have data, which is an hidden folder which has been come across over here. You just have to double click on this. Now you have to click on the local. On local one you have to double click on the packages. Now you on the search bar you just have to type EDGEH. You just have to search this name, Microsoft.MicrosoftEdge-8 key. You just have to delete this. You just need to delete this and you have to close this taskbar now. Then you have to go on the search bar. Now you have to type PowerShell over here, POWER shell. You have to just open this PowerShell. Now you have to copy the commands from the description where I have given. You just need to copy that commands over here and just you have to simply paste here. Over here you can paste like this. You just have to click on the taskbar over here and you have to just you just need to right click on the taskbar. You just have to then click on the edit. On the edit you just need to click on the paste over here. Now the command has been pasted over here. Just have to click enter. That's it. Afterward you have to just type exit over here, EXIT exit, then simply press enter. Now you have to restart your PC and see that your problem has been irrigated. There would be no issue regarding this Microsoft Edge. It will automatically detect and install itself. So friends, if this video helped you out, then give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any problem regarding this, you can leave comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.